Curious about the Datagaps difference? Listen closely. The DataOps Suite is the most comprehensive end-to-end data validation platform for every enterprise. Now, the product in focus is BI Validator. This is what one of our customers say.
Hi everyone, my name is Bishwadeep and I'm principal at ZS Pune India office. I've spent over 20 years in technology across industries with almost 10 years or so in ZS, focusing primarily on healthcare clients. One of the key areas which I lead in ZS is driving digital and data operations excellence for our clients. This is where we have been using the Datagaps solution BI Validator, and which is an automated tool that becomes central to how we drive quality and consistency in our reporting solutions. During the POC, we worked very closely with the Datagaps team, training our analysts, setting up the right cloud infrastructure for hosting the Datagaps platform, and also involved some key stakeholders within the organization, including architects, cloud experts, and the client teams who are going to use it. The POC outcomes were strong, the results were good, and we had an alignment from all the stakeholders that we operationalize the tool and scale it across multiple clients. The results were pretty amazing. There was 70% time savings. So the time taken by as compared to manually doing it versus the Datagaps tool running it. So the time was close to 70% savings. There was 80% time reduction in the turnaround time. So again, the turnaround time on the response for our client for our teams in terms of measuring that reduced, and there were 100% adherence to the UI validation best practices. Again, if you think about it, if you do it manually and there's a list of 100 items, you by the time you reached fifth or sixth, you were like, okay, rest would be fine. Versus an automated tool which runs through all the 100 different checks sequentially and ensures things are fine. The reports could take up to 60 minutes per dashboard to validate. So if I have a dashboard with 6 to 8 screens, and each screens I have to look at 5, 6 drop downs, different charts, go back, and if there is an error, go back and look why the error is coming, whether that particular model did not get refreshed or there could be some other error. Doing all of that used to take close to 60 minutes. However, with the introduction of Datagaps, we were able to improve the accuracy and due to reduced manual intervention, but also the reports got refreshed earlier by an hour. So the time required for the Datagaps process to work is close to 5 to 10 minutes as compared to 60 minutes, which used to be taken by the manual person who's validating it. Datagaps truly helps us look good. And with that, I'd like to thank the entire Datagaps team for inviting me here today and being a true partner in the journey of Ops Excellence. Thank you so much, and it was great talking to all of you.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.